preamp amplifier, dual channel, is a SA-1000. There is two outputs, you can switch between them, and there is the inputs here. The problem that the customer have, when there is like a different inputs here and he switch between one to another, he still can hear the other input, like very low, but still the sound over there. If there is a CD input right here and there is the tape right here, and this output is CD, this output is the tape, when he switch to the CD, he still can hear the tape from the CD output. Like there is a leak. Yeah, it's like there is a leak between the two outputs. So let's take it apart and look at it inside. Yeah, that's the board. So let's measure the inputs right here in this connector. Already I see some rust in this connector. One connector is the main output, and one connector is the tape output. But that's not just some sound here, like this is completely short. So it must be like a full sound, not just some leaks. Let's there is a switch right here that's switching between the inputs. That's the main, and this is the tape. But here in the main we have like completely short, all the 3 pins, the right, left, and the ground. That's the ground. So let's follow the traces. The ground, let's go to this, let's go to here. That's a jumper, resistor jumper to here, and that's this is the negative side of the big capacitor. So that's just the ground. Okay, but the other side it's go. It's a jumper. So that's a ground, it's go to this tube, and another trace of that ground, it's go to this relay right here. This is a relay with each pin. Okay, so the left or right side, it's go to the same relay. Let's go right here. And this side there is a jumper, and here there is a jumper to here, and it's go to the relay. So the ground right and left is connected to the same relay, and the relay itself, there is a solder bridge here. So looking at the relay part number, this is what I find. That's the coil. That's the, so these pins, 2 pins here are the coil. And these 2 pins, that's the solder bridge over there. And we have the port. That's the port can connect to this point when the relay is off. When the relay is on, is connect to this one. Because right now the relay, there is no power. Yeah, the relay is off, so that's 2 points are connected right here. When the relay is on, this point is connected to this one and this one, so it's got the connection to these points. but these two is connected to nothing. So basically this relay is searching this output to the ground. Yeah, because this is the ground. So we're searching all the output to the ground. I don't know why is that. Well, it's set up like that. The customer, he said there is a little leak. It's not a completely like he can hear this, barely can hear the sound from the other side, but still there is a leak over there. So you remember the customer said he did try to fix this port because it was broken pin somewhere here, or a bad connection or something. I already see some cracked solder joint in this tube. We are going to fix it as well after we take care of that of the leak. That's the RCA audio jack, and we can see some rust over there. I already see like a glue or super glue all around it. The customer, I think he did do this chamfer because this bed, it was cracked. So let's go to the resistance mode. There is a 4 pins here, but it should be just 3. Yeah, this is the middle pin. The one is here. That's the one. Must be, this is the ground. It's connected to the, is it? Yeah, I think this ground should be connected to this one. And look like this is a ground as well. So we have 2 pins are ground and one for the top, this one for the bottom right here. Oh yeah, there is a resistance basically. Should be like open right here because there's nothing connected. Like now, there is no connection. This one is 60 kilo ohm, but there is a connection. There is a leak in the audio. That's 60 kilo ohm. It's gonna bring some sound. So to here is a 3 mega ohm, 6 mega ohm. So we have some leaks right here. One mega ohm. Could be the customer used the conductive flux, maybe. Yeah, it is. Look, I'm touching the plastic. I'm not touching the metal. I'm just touching the plastic right here, and there is a resistance. You can see it, 90 kilo ohm. I'm just touching the plastic right here. It's like we touch here and we have a resistance. Here again, you can see there is a resistance. Yeah, there is a resistance from Yeah, it's reading some resistance. So basically the problem is just right here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, yeah, I did check online for similar to this one. I can't find anything because this is old, but of course that's not gonna stop us from fixing the device. I'm gonna check this one here. You see this one? Yeah, we can check that one, and we are going to solder the wires to the board. And we are going to need to solder. Basically we need just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. Yeah, just 5 wires. No, this is not going to work. We're going to need the one doesn't have this metal, because yeah, that's not going to work. Alright, let's use this one. Doesn't have that metal. We need 6 pins. Well, you can see the company did the same thing to this potentiometer. They just dewire it. So we are doing the same way. So must be this is the ground. Let's go like that. And this is the other ground. So when this one, the two grounds are not connected together. So this one is the bottom one, this one is the bottom one. Same thing here. So the red and the red, it will be here. Okay, let's solder some cracked points. Yeah, completely some points here are cracked. That's the tube socket. Yeah, that one, that pin is completely look cracked. Here, this potentiometer. Yeah, this wire doesn't look like solder good. That looks good now. And yeah, here there is a screws, like the screws that's gonna hold this one in the place. So let's see how it's. Alright, that's what was the problem. So this all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you again.